Today what we've got is an awesome touring rig. What we've got is the Off-Road Creative new pre-runner bar. It's been built specifically for the 2500s. Got the Outback Kitters GVM upgrade. This is a full remote reservoir shock coil suspension. So we've got the Method race wheels, the NV305s with the nice black bolt, the Nitto Ridge grapplers as well. Got the Outback Kitters adventure rails coupled perfectly with the Yakima rack. On top we do have the GME UHF aerial. And we've also got a GME aerial for the Selfie. We finished it on top with a pretty nice looking set of Max Trax Extremes. Further back, this is probably the holy grail of any touring build, is the canopy. So this is from our friends at Off-Road Creative. Absolutely mint. Full black interior, the Bushman's 120 litre fridge, plenty of storage space with some drawers, full electrical package, and you've also got a nice preparation bench through here. Nice wide pantry. I'll open this up here for you now. There are plenty of slots and spaces here. You've even got an inbuilt cutlery drawer as well, something I haven't seen before on a single canopy build. I think the main attraction's around the back. Come swing around here, guys, have a look at this. They always talk about traveling with the kitchen sink. This has exactly that. This is a really cool pantry. It has a 2-burner induction cooktop, a nice slide out pop top kitchen sink. So you have a 100 litre water tank underneath. You have your awesome reverse lights. You've got 2 jerry can holders and obviously your spare wheel. The Gen Y torsion hitch is absolutely perfect. It's got 2 torsion bars in here to go and absorb any movement from the trailer, caravan or jet ski that you're towing with. And on the right hand side, this is where form meets functionality. You have plenty of storage space. You have a nice, really big drawer here as well. Evercool freezer here. It's a 40 litre freezer, perfect for going off grid. Coupled with this, you have the Off-Road Creative electrical package. It's built by our friends at EC Off-Road. It's a really nice, neat solution. Everything's nice and perfect for you there to make sure that you have a complete off-grid power system. So if you're looking to build an awesome American touring rig, feel free to get in contact with the team or myself. We're happy to guide you through this whole process. Also, do me a huge favor, go follow the Wheatland Wanderers. That is the amazing family behind this build here. They've sold up everything. They're about to go do their big lap around Australia. Give them a share, give them a like, give them a follow, and we look forward to seeing you both on and off the road.